Okay. You ready? Jamie called me today.
Jamie called me today.
You don't have to repeat. Just listen to what I'm telling you. Jamie called me today. Her and Adam went to the doctor, you know? And remember how we wore pink? Because it's a girl.
Yeah.
It's not a girl, it's a boy.
It is?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
It's actually a boy?
Yep, it's a boy.
Oh, man. Looks like we're going to be catching up a boy trying to chase me and Alice.
Uh-huh. Are you excited?
That's okay because me and Alice can stick together, and Cash, he has someone to stick together. Yep. I think boys are totally awesome because Adam and stuff, they can stick around with them.
Yeah. So I'm videotaping, so say congratulations on your boy.
Congratulations on your boy, Jamie. I love you, Jamie and Adam.